Hi guys, this is Christina Calhoun and I am your host from prettyhomerealty.com. And today I'm going to be answering the question that is on the mind of so many people out there, our clients, customers. How do I buy a home when interest rates are on the rise? So today we're going to go over some creative ways in order to combat this rising interest rate. So stay tuned. In case you don't know, the Federal Reserve has raised the interest rate by 75 basis points. That is the largest increase since 1994. Now, with a higher rate, people are not as able to afford as much of a home as they did before. So what can you do? Fortunately, there are plenty of creative ways to deal with these rising interest rates, and I'm going to share 3 of them with you today. You may think that your credit score is already as good as it can be, but there's always room for improvement. One way to do this is to pay off some of your debts little by little, and this will help increase your credit worthiness because it will be lowering your debt to income ratio, and that's something that lenders look at. Next, if your lender is offering you a good rate, consider locking it in. It's expected that rates may continue to increase in order to combat inflation. So if you're getting a good rate, lock it in. It's important to keep in mind, though, that you want to do this when you're getting close to closing because it only stays locked in for maybe a month or 2. And if you're finding value in the points that I'm sharing today, be sure to give us a like, a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so that you can be updated every time we give you more valuable content. There's another way for you to lower your interest rate. It's called discount points, and this is something that you can do with your lender so that you can actually pay down your interest rate. So the way this works is 1 point is usually 1% of your mortgage. So if you were getting a loan for $200,000, you would pay $2,000 to lower your interest rate. And sometimes these are tax deductible. So be sure to ask your lender. So these are just a few of the creative ways that you can combat those rising interest rates. If you use these methods, your rates can be lower and you can afford more home. I hope you have gotten a lot of value from the content today, and I'll catch you on the next episode. And if you have been considering buying a house in this market, the longer you wait, the more expensive it may be. So be sure to reach out to Sean or Christina at prettyhomerealty.com. You can also give us a call and we'll help you navigate this whole home buying process.